Hey yo everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So guys, I'm traveling from Jamaica to across the world to learn, to analyze, and to grasp the concept of different music. However, Jamaica is based off of dancehall and reggae, and I've encountered this country with this music. I'm just happy to know that music lives on. Okay, my people, so today I'll be reacting to someone new. Can you guys welcome me here? Thanks for the welcoming. So I'll be checking out 2025 Mama CORTIS Go FaSHioN Mnet. I think that's it. So my people, with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what goes on. Peace. The instrumental beat is crazy. Phenomenal. This is phenomenal. I do love it. I do love it, bro. The beat is so sick. Okay, let's go. Bro, that was crazy. Yo, that was crazy. The vibe was upright. The vibe was upright, and the people are very much enjoying themselves, right? And it feels as if I'm literally there in the crowd, vibing along, right? And they're giving an excellent performance, with the vibe and everything like that, bro. It's very good to listen, right? And it literally cools your day. It gives you a cooling vibe, right? Because the vibe is just right? And anytime you're watching an artist perform and the crowd can literally go with the energy of the artist, then that says a lot. That says the artists are been showing themselves as though they've been showing in their music, and you can see the fans' reception. You can see what the fans are feeling while the artist is around them, and it says a lot. It differentiates a lot, bro. So my people, that was very good. I enjoyed that performance. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another reaction, so subscribe guys. I'll be here.